In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Brave browser. If you'd like to use Brave in a different language or make the browser interface easier to navigate in your preferred language, this tutorial will guide you through the entire process. The setup is simple and only takes a few moments to complete. Once finished, Brave will display its menus, settings, and interface elements in the language you choose. To begin, open the Brave browser on your computer. After the browser has fully loaded, move your attention to the upper right corner of the window. There, you'll find the menu icon. Click it to open the browser's main menu, which contains a variety of options for customizing and managing your browsing experience. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to Brave's configuration area, where you can adjust everything from privacy settings to appearance and language preferences. Once you're on the Settings page, look at the panel on the left side of the screen. You'll see several categories listed there. Find and click on Languages. This section is where Brave allows you to manage language-related settings, including the languages used for websites and the browser interface itself. After opening the Languages section, locate the area that displays your current language preferences. Here, you'll see an option labeled Add Languages. Click this option to open a window containing a list of available languages supported by Brave. A new window will appear displaying numerous language options. Scroll through the list and find the language you'd like to use. When you locate your preferred language, select it by checking the box next to its name. Be sure to choose the correct language before continuing. Once you've made your selection, click the Add button. Brave will then add that language to your list of installed languages. After a moment, you'll see it appear among your available language options. Next, find the language you just added. Beside it, you'll notice a menu represented by 3 dots. Click this menu to reveal additional settings related to that specific language. From the options provided, enable the setting that allows Brave to display the browser in the selected language. This is the setting that tells Brave to use your newly added language throughout the entire interface. After enabling the option, click Relaunch. Brave must restart for the change to take effect. Before doing so, make sure any important work is saved, since the browser will close and reopen automatically. Once Brave launches again, the browser interface should appear in your chosen language. That's all it takes to successfully change the language in Brave browser. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.